What are you doing? Don't ever do that again.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
The first one I ran already came back stolen. We're on the second one right now.
Come here. Come here. You gonna take a bath?
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back because she's taking it.
I love the way you hold your feet. That's really weird.
I already put the bread up. No bread for you, you little bread thief. Get out of the grocery. Get out of the...
Tank. Tank.
Surprise box and let me go.
Got any plans, B-Mans? Good one.
Прости, мой старый друг. Я должен разбудить тебя.
He's sniffing them.
Oh my god.
And out of cat crack. Bye, darn. Bye, darn. Ooh.
Diesel, this way. Come on. Oh, that's a sin.
I made a mistake. I put my Apple Pen down on a blanket and it evaporated. No! Olive, come here. Come here, baby. She can't see. Oh!
Oh, watch. Watch.
You're crazy. Mimi. Sure. Hey.
Where are you going?
The ghost dog. Oh my gosh. Take your blanket off your head.
I'm sorry, look at Coco. Hopefully she doesn't run out.
What's going on? Do you want some of this? Ew.
Resolve that issue. Okay, Ethan. Okay, nice cat. I'll check you in.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Got a treat? Come here, a treat? Get mine. You want a treat?
Go get a treat, Winston. Go get a treat.
Come on.
Go get a treat.
Let's go. Good. Come on, Bobby. Come on, little guy. Oh! Oh! Well, that was an utmost failure.
Your cat's name backwards is beautiful. Chap, chap.
Chap. Good chap.
Bella, why are you sitting like that? Huh? Why are you sitting like that? You can't sit like that.
We freaked out too much.
Are you stuck? Oh my gosh. How are you going to get out?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, nice.
Gotta carry my gat around with me. Cause this guy.
Well, would that feel good? Can't scratch.
Yeah.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Write a book about us.
Seriously? If you turn off the... Really?
Oh gee, oh boy, this is about to be a good breakfast.
If you spell your cat's name backwards, it will sound beautiful.
Animal!
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Meow, meow. Meow.
神奇的鸡蛋纺纱机会将白色和蛋黄融为一体，这不神奇吗？点击的链接我简历。
Show Bree and Emily your new sweater. Do you like it? You look so handsome. Oh yeah.
For my hair. And she was like, I just need a young guy who's losing hair, you know, thinning hair to do it. I said, I can't afford $70 a month right now. I'm in college. She said, I'll pay for it as long as you do the challenge. All right, sure.
Kelly!
She said what?
She said what? Do you hear it?
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
You ready? Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Is everything okay, Georgie?
And the duck say, yo, check me out.
Oh!
This is what happens when you bring a cat outside negative 50 Labrador City. Oh, you got the sneezes, my girl. It's too cold here for you.
Are you pooping in the snow?
I knew it. I knew it.
Hello, welcome to Monkey's Day Spa. I'll get started. Massage, massage.
I just remember seeing the figures on the phone. Once a day, the people would come out and wave.
Opens my door, and then you just have the nerve to sit there like this. You pay rent? You pay rent? Okay.
Hello and welcome back to Creature Watching.
Hi, Touch.
Hey, honey, that doesn't look like a baby. Right color. Wrong kind. What are you doing in there, Vin? Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Hi.
Angel, can I get an apple?
You're such a good girl. Are you a festive Marv?
Don't you dare. I still have your carrot.
I have your carrot.
Ah! Are you new here? Yeah.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2. Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish?
Oh, Herc wants to go outside.
Come on. How'd you get up there? Oh, that's how.
He's an emotional support cat, but his idea of emotional support is biting me when I'm sad. He just bites me when I'm trying to mope. Look at, there he goes! The criminal!
Are you new here? Yeah.
Assault, theft, fraud, DUI, breaking and entering, solicitation, armed robbery, shoplifting, aggravated assault on a police officer, and more.
Do you know what a pain in the ass is? Are you a pain in the ass?
Hi, Max! Hi!
Oh!
Blue, get the damn cat.
My night couldn't get any worse. My fucking bed just broke, and of course my hamster's just climbing on.
Thanks.
Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy and girl.
Why are you mad?
Me 5. Good girl, other paw. Yes, good girl, other paw. Good girl, other paw. Yes, good girl, other paw. Yes, good girl, other paw. Yes, good girl.
So, I'm just...
Ready?
What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my hot dog! Give me that back! You thief! You stole it!
Oh, honey.
Please get his face out of your mouth. No, again.
Okay, let's go.
Print? Oh my goodness. This can print.
He likes his feet rubbed.
Leo, you want food?
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?